Alright, this boiler makes the customer's hot water. Right there. Let that zoom in. There you go. Alright, it's a little hot in here, so we got to open everything up, clean the heater out. This fits perfect right on the edge, on the washing machine. Point that right there. I got to chop this out. Let me run the vacuum. This way we get a little air movement. I got it on high speed. Here comes the dock. Alright, so you get the idea. Alright, this will keep me cool somewhat while I'm cleaning this heater out.